Hi guys, this is Faisal. So in this video, we are going to learn how you can add BCC option in Outlook email. Sometimes if you have ever drafted an email in the Outlook, you may have encountered one issue like BCC option is not visible. So that we are going to learn today. So I had already opened the Outlook here and I am trying to draft one new email. But here option is only to and CC, but we do not have any option called BCC. But suppose if I want to send this email to such participant which will have just a copy of blind carbon copy, in that case, how we can add BCC option here? So to add that, we have to go to options menu and we have to go to the three dot, and here you can see the option we have is BCC. So just we have to add it, just click here and BCC option will appear here. So like that we can add BCC option in any Outlook email. So this is the simplest tutorial how to add BCC option in Outlook email. I hope this video helps you. Then please do like, share and subscribe to Backbench Engineer.